In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove yourself from a Splitwise expense. This is really useful if you've been accidentally added to a bill you didn't share, or maybe plans changed and you shouldn't be included anymore. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently update any expense. First, open Splitwise in your browser or app and go to the group where the expense is listed. This might be a friend's trip, a household group, or any shared group you're part of. Make sure you're looking at the correct group so you don't accidentally edit the wrong expense. Instead of directly editing an existing expense, Splitwise uses the same interface for adding and adjusting expenses. Click on Add an Expense. This opens the familiar expense window where you can see who paid, who's involved, and how the cost is being split. At the top, you'll see a field for the description. Type in or confirm the description of the expense you're working with, like dinner, groceries, or hotel. Clear descriptions make it easier for everyone in the group to understand what the expense is for. Next, check the amount field. Type in or verify the total amount of the expense. This is the full cost that will be divided among the people who are included, so make sure it matches what was actually spent. You'll also see who is currently marked as the payer. If your name appears there, but someone else actually paid, click on your name to change it. A list of group members will appear. From that list, choose the correct payer, the person who actually covered the bill. This ensures the balances in your group stay accurate. Now, look for the option that says equally or something similar, which indicates how the expense is being split among participants. Click on this to open the detailed split view. Here, you'll see a list of all people included in the expense, usually with checkboxes or toggles next to their names. Find your own name in that list and uncheck it. This is the key step that removes you from owing any part of this particular expense. Once your name is unchecked, you're no longer part of the split and won't be charged for that amount. Finally, click on Save to confirm the changes. Splitwise will update the balances for everyone in the group, and you'll now be removed from that expense.